Welcome to our latest video where we dive into the exciting world of residential multifamily real estate. In this session, we'll explore the stages of property acquisition and how you can leverage this asset class to build generational wealth. If you're looking to get into real estate, you're in the right place. But that's not all. If you want to dive deeper into this topic and gain a wealth of knowledge, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the link in the description. There you'll find an in-depth article that provides comprehensive insights and valuable tips on property acquisition in the multifamily real estate market. By taking this extra step, you'll be equipped with the tools and information needed to make informed investment decisions and set yourself up for success. So, without further ado, let's discover the stages of property acquisition in real estate investing and unlock the potential for building generational wealth. In this comprehensive blog post we have linked below, we delve into the key steps involved in acquiring multifamily properties and highlight the benefits that make this asset class a smart investment choice. Research and analysis. Begin your property acquisition journey with thorough research and analysis. Identify target markets with strong rental demand, economic growth, and favorable demographics. Conduct market research, analyze historical data, and explore market trends to make informed investment decisions that pave the way for success. Financing and investment strategy. Develop a sound financing and investment strategy tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. Explore different financing options, considering the impact of interest rates on your investment. With a well-defined strategy, you can navigate the financial landscape confidently and set the foundation for long-term success. Property search and due diligence. Learn effective methods for searching and evaluating residential multifamily properties. Collaborate with real estate agents, network with industry professionals, and leverage online listing platforms to find suitable properties. Perform thorough due diligence, including property inspections, financial analysis, and verification of rent rolls, to ensure a wise investment decision. Negotiation and purchase. Master the art of negotiation to secure favorable deals on multifamily properties. Conduct a comparative market analysis to determine the property's value and negotiate the purchase price accordingly. Seek guidance from experienced professionals to maximize your chances of success. Property management and operations. Effective property management is essential for long-term profitability. Discover proven strategies for tenant screening, rent collection, and maintenance. By providing excellent customer service and maintaining positive landlord-tenant relationships, you can optimize rental income, minimize vacancies, and unlock the full potential of your multifamily property. To learn more about the stages of property acquisition and how you can build generational wealth with residential multifamily real estate, be sure to check out our detailed blog post. Gain valuable insights, tips, and strategies to make your investment journey a resounding success. Don't miss out. Hit the link below to read the full article and start your path to wealth creation in the real estate market.